Shenandoah National Park!
All I need is you, you, All I need is you,
Oh, すごい。
I'm tired.
Our US road trip!
お願いされました。
Alright, today we are leaving the fun RV resort that the kids loved to go to Shenandoah National Park. And it is huge.
No, you can't cover this up. You're already stuck. Oh, before long, you're gonna get so tired. You gotta get out.
Louder, please. Yesterday. Ready?
U ターン
何が起きてんの？
どうすればいい？
この人どうしたの？なんかポリスかなんかがいる。
ポリスがいて、事故かな。
Hey, shouldn't be too much longer if you want to wait.
あ
Just to turn this big thing around.
待てば
Probably
いい。
another 15 minutes. You want to wait? It's up to you.
待てばいいんじゃない？
待ってば
That
い
way
い。
you ain't got to turn this thing around. I know it's pretty. I mean, it's not terrible, but
What are we waiting for?
it's an accident.
Oh,
They're moving the cars out now.
ah, okay.
You can just stay right here. Just stay right here, okay?
Okay.
And we'll let you do it in a little bit.
You see?
ほら、
What is that?
someone got in a car accident. どうする？もう一個の生き方もあるけど。あ、That was quick. あ、もうすぐそこにいたんだ。Oh. Thank you. あ、ここは、Oh no. Oh no.
All I need to know is wait for all systems go. I'm not letting anyone break it down. I keep it in my control. Put a pin in my map for anywhere else but here. Open up your front door, together we'll disappear. Wait for all systems.
はい。
Just a vehicle pass for you.
What's that? Ah, yeah.
$30 is valid for a week. Do you want a map or a newspaper?
Ah, yes.
Show us the receipt if you'd like to come back another day.
Okay.
Here's a map and newspaper for you.
Thank you.
Nice day.
Thank you.
Even after you've entered the park, the drive continues. We are driving along Skyline Drive, which is this long road that goes all the way through Shenandoah National Park. Driving from the north entrance to the south, it would take you 3 whole hours. Thankfully, the drive is beautiful and they've got lookouts and viewpoints along the way, as well as a few stops for lodging, shopping, and dining, which is where we're headed to now. Let's go check it out. We need a map. Good for the kids. Ooh, apple butter barbecue. なんか美味しそう。That looks yummy. Oh, blackberry jam. Oh, 美味しそう。Ooh, Christmas decorations already?
It's not even Christmas yet.
That's cute. iPad. Oh, いいじゃん。いいじゃん。Keep calm and high top. That's cute. Get that. Oh, what are they? Bears?
Earring.
The bears on it? Alright, so shopping with a 2-year-old is kind of a disaster.
Don't say disaster.
I know.
Say it's a little hard.
Yeah, okay, thank you. And we got a nice coloring book though, National Park coloring book, because we are at a national park. Ooh, so we got the Shenandoah coloring.
最後。Maybe it's garden salad.
What's that?
A garden salad.
Okay.
And
Chicken,
maybe a coffee.
coffee,
What is the seasonal soup?
tomato basil.
Tomato basil.
Yeah.
No, thank you. Just it.
17.24. Grilled chicken for a salad.
美味しそう、このチキン。なかなかなくない？こんなチキン。はい、目の前で写真。 smarter than your average bear. Black bears are wily omnivores, quick learners who can easily destroy any tender container to get your food. Black bears thrive in Shenandoah National Park because the foods they need to eat, acorns, berries, grubs, honey, are plentiful. When you're picnicking in bear country, store your food properly and don't leave it unattended. So what's important, Baba?
Don't leave garbage and don't leave and I forgot
Any food.
any food.
Yes. Oh, they've got pictures. What do you see a picture of? Oh, that's kind of nice. これすごい。見えるなんか。ほら、ダディ見てごらん。ダディを。見える？
パパは何買ってる？
あ、なんかしてるね。This is cool, the mobile visitor center. We're thinking about taking them and walking up to the Black Rock Summit. It's an easy little walk,
Yep,
right?
it's an easy walk. I want to recommend just being careful. So it's a rocky area. It's really good snake habitat.
Snake? Are they pet snakes?
Pet snakes? No pet snakes. Only wild snakes.
Pets of nature.
Yeah.
And I love snakes. So I want
We have a ton of snakes here in the park.
Maybe we'll
You
see
want to watch out for the spicier ones.
Mama make that.
like the scarier ones, the ones
Yeah,
that
the ones
might.
that have venom.
Mama
Oh,
make
the poisonous
Do
one.
you have a question?
that. Poisonous snake. I'm just curious. Did they like come to us and give us poison or just stay there?
So the venomous snakes that we have are timber rattlesnakes and copperheads. And those are the two types of snakes. And a timber rattlesnake, they're pretty big and they're real dark. And they have a rattle on the end of their tail. And when they're upset and they're angry, they're gonna rattle that. And that means go away. I don't want you near me. So it's warning you to head out and get away from it. Copperheads, they don't really make any sounds, but if you get too close and they get upset, they can strike out and bite you. And that venom comes from their bites. So you really want to, keep your distance away from those snakes. You just gotta keep your eyes peeled for them. Watch where you're putting your hands. If you're on Black Rock
Yeah.
and you're climbing around the rocks, look before you
Get your
reach.
hand. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Sounds good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I guess we really have to bring our.
Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
Yes. Your eyes. Okay.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Keep our eyes open.
I can't even close my eyes even one time.
All right. Let's get in the car. Let's go. Who pooped in the park? Got a new book, along with other things, and we're gonna read till we get to the trail. Okay, so if you see raccoon poop, you touch it.
No.
Everybody laughed and mom messes us up. Black rocks. These raccoon tracks over here are a lot smaller.
Look. There.
Oh,
Look at that. I'm going to get ready.
Yeah.
Let's go hiking.
Let's go hiking.
Before that, we have to find my binoculars.
Okay, let's wear your binoculars.
Daddy should hold the binoculars because Daddy is going to be in the front. Daddy, binocular. Okay, everyone, Sasha Papa got Lida
Why is Daddy going first?
because he's strong. He's the strongest in our family.
Yeah.
That's why.
He's gonna watch out for snakes for us.
That's why I gave him the binoculars.
Okay, you got everything?
Yes,
Got
all
your-
set.
All set, let's go.
Don't forget your phone.
Okay. So we are at Shenandoah National Park, and today we're gonna do our first national park hike. And we're going to Black Rock Summit. I think it's more of a walk than a hike. So that our cute little 2-year-old can handle it, and I'm sure our 6-year-old Pudding, it'll be easy for her. Easy peasy, right? Can you help
Easy
with that?
peasy lemon squeezy.
Let's
And
Go!
watch out for snakes.
Yes, watch out for snakes.
Daddy, use your binoculars to spot bears or
Okay,
snakes
okay.
or everything. Use your binoculars.
Okay.
Watch out for bears. ただ写真撮ってくまよ。Everyone, any sign you found, take a picture of it.
Ready to go? Oh, cool. Be careful. Are you taking pictures?
Guys, everyone, don't just look down, Mommy. Mommy!
Got a director to your documentary.
Watch out for logs like your friends.
Okay, I have my eyes. Great.
Guys, there's going to be stairs.
Poo-poo.
Daddy found poop. 本当に？クマのうんち？
どこ？
もっと大きいんじゃないクマのうんち。それただの犬のうんちじゃない？
犬ここ来る？
来るんじゃないハイキング。
ハイキング犬？
写真は撮らなきゃいいの君たち。
You. Gross.
It's a sign. It's evidence.
Very tired. Mom, I'm tired.
なんかちょっと明るくなってきてる。
じゃああそこまでさ、歌うと。
Jungle, make jungle. I'll tell you what I really want.
Country
So
road.
tell me what I really
カン
want.
トリーロード。
I'm not. Really. Country roads takes me home
To
to
the
a place.
Babylon,
West Virginia.
Mountain Mama, take me home. Country road.
本当だ、私も大きい輪見える。
Babylon.
We made it. I'm tired.
Oh, we're at the summit. Black Rock Summit. That was not bad.
これがサミットなの？おお。うわ。すごい。
Whoa.
ブラックロックだね。
Mountain Mama 見た。
Mountain Mama. The view is incredible. すごいね、ここ。
すごいね。
We're gonna try and climb up a little bit. You guys ready?
Let's start climbing.
Daddy's gonna find the good places to step.
OK。いや、本当に登っていくわね。
Okay, this rock's really good.
うん。
Give a little
はい。
space. ねえねえがもうちょっと行ってください。OK。
Okay, now I got it. Now I'm the leader.
ちょっとこっち向いて。
はい。
Day 9. Let's go. 大丈夫？あ、これなんかね。
はい、こっちこっち。
危ない危ない危ない。Instead of trying to walk, crawl. Like use your hands.
おお。
How do you look up there? Mama, Tita.
着いた。わあ、すごい。こんなとこ登ってきたんだよ。
Get the.
できた
普通に落ちたら危ないやつ。うん、そうそう。
Yeah, the rocks move a little bit.
ママ、見て。ついたよ。ついたよ。
そうそう、ついてる、もうちょっとだよ。
I did it.
Oh.
I lived.
You made it.
Come on, guys.
Okay.
Yay, we made it. That was like the perfect difficulty level for the kids.
No, don't go there.
登ってる
もうね、あそこから来たんだぜ。
ちょうどいい難しさで。Did you like that? もう一回登るの？本当に？帰らなくていいの？帰ろう帰ろう。
もう一回
登りたいの？プレイグラウンドだもんね、自然の。
うん。
Clover found a new love for rock climbing. We're like, let's go. No, I want to climb again. It's a park, literally nature park. The perfect place to play. A little dangerous here and there, so definitely need to be careful. But yeah, he's enjoying it. Oh my gosh, he's incredible. We actually hadn't done anything like this before, huh? We don't hike much. We travel a lot, but we haven't hiked much because Clover's been too small. もっと行きたい。すごくいいハイクだった。子供たちにちょうどよかった。Did you get enough? Oh, did you? No? You want to climb more? You like climbing, don't you? Well, we still have a hike back. Look at this little bit of blue on it.
Yeah, and it was like.
Alright, let's go. Go up and see the view?
We did. Yes.
Okay.
We didn't go up on the rocks.
Oh,
The
no.
rocks are too heavy. I was going to take one for a souvenir. I couldn't move it.
Have you been to other national parks?
No, this is actually our first one that we're like hiking and, exploring.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, he's kind of little, so
Yeah.
yeah, this was a good hike for him.
Mama,
Well, it's the first time here, but we've been to about 20 or 25 national
Oh,
parks.
wow. Which one has been your favorite so far?
Oh, the Utah ones.
Yeah, we'll go there. We're doing a road trip all the way to Los Angeles, so
Oh,
we'll be exploring
the
some
Utah
more.
ones are really beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll have fun.
I'm
Yeah,
so
thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, we're almost there. Not too far.
You're getting close. I said I saw a lot of parents where their kids wanted them to carry them.
carry me.
Carry me.
Carry me.
Yes,
パパ、持って帰るか
that's
ら
right. Okay. あ、聞こえる。車の音が聞こえた。
Oh, I think I see the parking lot. Woohoo, we're almost there. Clover walked the entire way.
おお。
Right, Bubba?
I see a talking cat.
Yay! Woo! Can't wait for you guys at the goal to give me a high five. High five. High five. We made it. The kids made it. Oh my gosh. Yay. Clover was like, don't push it the whole time, like the last 5 minutes, but he did it.
Give me a new band-aid.
Okay.
Magazine like this.
Oh, it's gonna be a good day when I see you coming down the road. Oh, it's gonna be a good day on the highway of my meeting soul.
McDonald's stop. All right, we're gonna run into McDonald's, get a little snack. So let's go in. もう並んでても全然来ない。こっちで頼めってことかな。おさるさん wants an iced coffee, but the iced coffees have milk in it. アイスコーヒーは全部ミルクが入っちゃってる。アメリカのアイスがないし。どうやって頼むんだ Excuse me? Can you get an iced coffee without the milk? How do you order that? on the.
We could do like an ice coffee that's cream. So do you want the cream in the small one?
Yes, that's fine. All right, thank you. Here's your giant coffee. This is a medium. And here's your Happy Meal. Okay, so I got the kids a Happy Meal, but it didn't come with the milk, so we're gonna go back and ask them for milk.
And we're also going to get a pillow.
Yes. Excuse me? I didn't get the 2 milks.
2 milk.
Yeah, for the kids.
There you go.
Okay, thank you.
But we have to get the cushion.
I know, but we had to get milk first. They got one with a bunny on it at the bottom. Oh, what's this blue one?
I gotta buy this one. Wait, let me try.
Is it gonna work?
Really?
Or you can get like a regular one.
This is hard.
Okay, then get a different one. But get one that's comfortable. Get one that's comfortable because you're gonna. It's for sleeping.
Maybe I'll do this one.
Yeah, blue or pink.
The pink one.
Okay, you do pink. Yeah, we're gonna get 2 of them.
There you go.
They comfy?
Yes, really fun.
Yeah, let's go. 寝ながら食べてない？寝ながら食べてない？ Wake up, it's time to wake up.
You're going to choke.
Hi, good morning.
Hi, good morning. Got some slime on my sock.
It's like, what else is there? He went for the nuggets. Oh, I think that's yours. And then his toy's in here. Well, I'm glad you are eating something because you missed your egg sandwich earlier, Bebe. Is your nugget good, Bebe? How's your nugget? Like zombie eyes.
はい、これからご飯食べます。
Dinner time. We're gonna eat some pho, which is our family favorite. Where are we right now? We're
ま
on
だ
our-
バージニア州。
Yeah, we're on our way to Asheville, and we're in a
Yeah.
small town, and we found a pho place.
アッシュビルまで3時間半ぐらい。うん。
誰もいなさそう。
そうなんだ。
Hi. Oh, okay. Yeah, that'd be great. Thank you.
繁盛してる。
Can I get you guys water for starting?
Ah, yes, please. ベトナム料理とタイ料理のメニューで、なんか外誰もいないし、なんか看板とかもすごい少なくて薄くてなんか
やってるって思う。
そうそう、なんか全部の店がなんかやってるみたいな感じ。
満席。危なかった。
Hi. Can we get the? That's just chicken pho, right? Chicken. Okay, yeah, chicken pho. And can you? Is that like? Can you do more noodles, or do you have a small chicken pho that's like that? The kids can have?
Only one size.
One size.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's good to share. It's
Oh, it's
enough for
good. Yeah.
two, yeah.
Okay, then we'll get one of those, and then we'll get the bun, the cold noodle, and then the summer roll. Yeah. Thank you.
こうペンが。ペン。 すごい。
Mom, let's do it.
I'm gonna get the noodles.
It's so hard.
You can actually see our camp.
I all want to, but
You can actually see the camping car.
Oh yeah, we're doing it in the camping car this time.
my son want me to buy him. I said no.
It's nice with the kids though. It's like,
That's amazing.
yeah, it's pretty convenient because no packing, unpacking. You know, you just go to the campsite. So.
Yeah. Oji, kamunato. Oji, kamunato.
I'm gonna dance by myself like nobody's watching. Don't really care if my rhythm's off, 'cause I'm gonna dance like nobody's watching.